So you want to stay updated on all the important global finance events? The best finance news channels will keep you informed and ahead of the game. Now this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, if you're looking to stay on top of the fast-paced world of finance, it can be feeling overwhelming. So, there's so many news sources, but don't worry. There are some excellent finance news channels that bring you the latest updates, expert analysis, and breaking news, okay? So here are a few top recommendations. So here, you got CNBC. This channel is perfect for real-time stock market updates, financial news, and expert interviews. It's great for staying informed about global market events, okay? There's also Bloomberg. They're known for their in-depth coverage of finance, markets, and global economic news. You can trust Bloomberg to give you the high-quality, reliable information, okay? There's also Reuters, and I'll put this all in the description. They're a global leader in business and finance news, offering real-time updates and expert analysis on important events around the world. There's also BBC News. They offer international financial news with a focus on market trends and economic developments across the globe. There's also Fox Business. They're known for breaking news on financial markets and analysis of key events impacting economies worldwide. Stay ahead of financial trends by tuning into these channels. And if you like this short video, leave me a like. I love you.